After implementing an action plan in action research, what is the next step? Kunwari, meron ka nang in-implement. What then would be your next step? Letter A, disseminating the results to the academic community. Letter B, observing and collecting data to assess the impact of the intervention. Letter C, formulating a new research question. Or letter D, conducting a literature review. What is our choice? Okay, 29, letter B, observing and collecting data to assess the impact of your intervention. That is tumpak. No? So meron kang action plan. If you are going to arrange this, no? If you'll be arranging this, of course, yung magiging first step natin would be this, di ba? So formulate ka muna ng new research question mo. After that, you conduct your literature review, di ba? Pa-review ka muna ng mga related literature. And then you implement, ayan na, gagawa ka na ng action plan mo. And then you collect the data. And finally, no, once you have already gathered your data, interpreted your data, you form your conclusion. And now the last thing that you have to do is to disseminate the results to your academic community. Okay? So tumpak na choice is letter B.